쿵쿵쿵 다. Itu kau lesi dah cuman. Hey. Ini ya kaisnya manuan. Man kau lesi mon charger. Bro, kun kan kau lesi dikai juga. Hello, hello.
I haven't eaten anything yet.
Yes, we're so hungry, so let's start. And this is how we're enjoying. See, everybody is having their meal. Everyone is enjoying, eating a lot. Only pork, local pork, okay? Local pork khai aro. So kiki kurishi do so to lo na pare wishi. We've done so many things. Itahi log paise because we were very busy and it's very sunny also. But now we're going to start eating. So please enjoy our video. Hello, Shadow.
Shadow is also here.
Yeah.
Shadow, you're out of the league. Shadow,
Please go. We're going to have our food. Oh, paniya ni di Shadow hai. Please show your first bite.
no, I'm so sorry again.
As
I
you-
don't eat kakushu.
And then you eat achi. Yes. So 1, 2, go. First bite. Tasty na. Actually, somebody requested to do mukbang, so I think this will be a requested video. Mine though. Chalo, let's. We cannot sit here. Oh,
sorry.
Moi itu khao le se.
Mangso pore rakhi di.
Hardy that dia lagi di. Hardy bizarre though.
Raja macam ni no.
Kasi,
Bamboo shoot.
mo please sama.
Bamboo
Kung
shoot.
kan hindi aga raja sa sa hindi ama sa sa liwa to.
Oh,
May lawara.
I wouldn't have.
May lawale. Kada may siya ta.
Wow, how about that? Because there's not much mustache. God. Kapabas.
Gusto na lang. Oh.
Raja beso. Tujuh 담배를 내려.
Baby, 어때 사배 야 줘, baby.
주주가 새로 해 한다. 좀 몰랐어. Please add una plate chuto so.
What?
Una.
Oh, sorry.
Itu malu dangul. Shakalaru plate na mile. Camera dia lag dikit jaise. Ayo, thank you. Itu alok tinggal di sini kena.
No, consider
It's not standard ya. Sudah na. Sudah na.
对，是的，对。
가비. Hello, bisa gitu kok. Kayak di sini. Wah. 그러니까.
왜?
좀 내가 전주 사올리. So, this is the MFR festival.
MFR mukbang as well.
So eagerly waiting for next year.
Yeah, because next year is
Golden Jubilee
so
for new rice festival.
so happy, so excited, waiting for next year. Actually, this celebration is only for our villagers, okay? We don't know about others, but this is how we celebrate every year. And next year is our golden jubilee.
50 years
Of
again celebrating
next year will be more interesting
New Year.
than this. Nah, so
Thank you for watching Kobe Kwasi time again.
고맙습니다. 잘 게요.
arigato. Arigato gozaimasu.
제마시.